type of thing, just like, Blockbuster is history, you know what I mean?
So, creeps.
Yeah, that's what I'm going by, the one, the guy pulled it out.
Ugh.
It's just,
You know what I hate to say that? Half the people I see going out there are really grandpa types.
I know,
And I'm always like, ugh, gross.
that's just what I thought too.
Yeah. Yep.
What was that the chair?
Cat.
You should do
Also
taking a picture of it.
But that's,
Sure.
Maybe she's gonna go a video. Maybe she's gonna go like this.
Take a picture.
stop talking.
isn't it blue? It's supposed to be blue.
Okay, if it is. Yeah, it's kind of grayish.
Okay, if the cat's talking.
Yeah, can you get it? I'm gonna help you.
The fish place was busy though, 'cause I went after lunch.
That's the one
Daddy,
what's the name of it?
another
John-
Aiden.
One,
Another-
one.
Taylor's.
Daddy, another Aiden was wearing a shirt.
No way.
Aiden Fitzgerald?
Yeah.
Two Aidens at once, same shirt.
Yeah, and his name is spelled the same as yours too. Isn't it?
That was AIT.
Oh yeah, actually, no, I don't remember. That's my girlfriend Shauna's son. Yeah, I'll give it to him. He's not bad.
Whoa. Look how big the tripod is.
Oh, you're getting a good aerial shot.
What was the camera, the tripod?
Aiden, there's a few of these. Do you want some of these? No? Okay.
Salesman came in today, basically just to chat. He didn't sell me nothing, just to chat for like 40 minutes.
Is this the one?
Yeah.
Aiden, you here. You guys ripping butter everywhere. Don't get it on your shirt because it's not gonna come out.
That was the guy that saw you at the baseball game that one time, Colin. Oh.
Aiden, do me a favor.
That
Take
Aiden
it easy
baseball
on the
game?
butter because butter will give you a bellyache, okay? You don't have to plunge it in there. Just dip it in there. You eat too much butter, you're gonna get a bellyache. Okay?
A lot of good birthday wishes.
No. Oh, she is. Steve Gilbert, the star's husband, which was one of my favorite, sent me a picture of the minion from Despicable Me 2 with Isaac, the Love Boat minion, winking at me and smiling. And I said, oh my God, that's one of my favorite birthday greetings. That one's
I
awesome,
love the
Steve.
beard.
Well,
You say I love the beard.
no, I just said I said something like I love the Minions. Isaac from the Love Boat. But that was a really cute one. I liked that one.
Looks like that.
Look at it now.
Oh!
Is she looking up at the camera?
No.
Is she sleeping?
Oh, she's looking at me.
Did you ever get back to your mother?
Yep.
You alright with it?
Yeah, I just told her.
Dude, do you have more clean? Don't eat all of them so quick.
There's more on the table.
Oh yeah!
There's more.
Oh, they're all mine now. Those are my birthday clams.
No, I
sick, so are you guys.
Not funny.
But no, I don't want to.
Ah.
Especially Aiden. You already had your share of being sick. Stomach bug is not fun. Throwing up is not fun. Or is it? Oh, I just found out a girl that I went to college with is one of the news survivors on Survivor, which was kind of cool. I saw a couple people post something last night, and I'm like, what is this thing about Survivor? Why does people keep posting stuff about Survivor? And then Doug Meehan, remember him from Fox News?
You on Survivor?
No. He writes, "Go to just nudged it with your elbow."
What did you say, Lynn, now?
What's your gut, family? She has
That's what the
and
clams.
good
Hold
dog.
on, I'm trying to help everyone here.
What's
Just
up?
wait a second.
That's a big one, isn't it?
Daddy,
Yeah.
do you like the mussels on these?
Yeah, I like it all.
Okay. Picking up with front.
I mean, she's gonna knock it over. It's gonna go through the window.
Here you go.
And then she's
Yeah.
gonna run away.
Here.
Run away.
I wonder how she's gonna do, starving herself like that. Even some of the celebrities that thought they could do whatever on that show. There you go. It's not easy, not. Go ahead, James. It's not eating like that. It's assisted on.
Bodybuilder, like really thin and really lean, and kind of cut, like really built like an athlete. So I said that, I'm like, yeah, it's just
I'm
perfect
gonna
for
try to
her.
find a big one.
Right here.
What's gonna do that?
Whoa, it's falling out.
Because you've got to have that personality that they want too.
Look at that.